In the factories of tomorrow and the labs of innovation, intelligent machines perform feats of incredible precision and strength. Before they can manipulate, weld, or assemble, their very structure must be perfectly articulated. This is the unseen assembly of a modern robot arm. Every robot arm begins with its anchor. First, we secure the base joint, the foundation that allows the arm to rotate precisely. A powerful servo motor is integrated here, providing the initial precise movement that all subsequent actions will stem from. Next, we integrate the primary limb. The lower arm segment is connected, and a second powerful servo motor is installed at what will become the shoulder. This motor allows the arm to lift and extend, granting it vertical reach and dexterity. Now for the midsection. The upper arm segment is added, further extending the arm's reach. Another high-precision servo motor is installed, allowing for nuanced rotation and articulation, bringing the arm closer to human-like movement. With the mechanical structure articulated, we add the intricate wrist. This complex joint often contains multiple smaller servo motors, providing the fine-grained movements needed for precise manipulation. Simultaneously, the main control board is integrated, ready to send commands. The final details. The end effector, whether a gripper, welder, or sensor, is attached. We power on the system, and with seamless motion, the robot arm comes to life. A testament to coordinated power, intelligence, and a future built by automation. The assembly is complete. The future is manipulated. We've built precision. If you want to see more technology that powers our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.